Yeah, I'm kind of tired. Yeah, previous day high on bearish. What's up, Alejandro, bro? Did you say you were in Canada too? Good morning, man. Good morning. You taking any trades yet? Toronto. Yeah. Oh, you took a trade. You catch a dub? Lost, dub, break even. Was there 8:30 news? 7:30 long? Let's see this. God damn, that's a serious chop. If we manipulate these highs, I would like shorts. 7:30 long. 7:20. Was there S&P right here? I mean, that's a nice move. Oh, yeah, there's a daily S&T at the highs. Is that the one you're talking about? Oh, big SMT. Oh, that's really good, actually. There's SMT at previous day high as well. I guess it's here. No, where is it? All right, that's. Well, I'm bearish anyways. What, bro? Can it just can it just connect to the highs? Like, why are you making me? What is this? Is it this? I think I'm still bearish because is there a daily for value gap lower? Yeah, there is. Previous day's low, same thing. Double drawn liquidity. I'm pretty bearish. Pretty strong drawn liquidity there. Is there a 4 hour, 1 hour equal lows? Oh yeah, that looks fucking clean. And there's a 4 hour, 1 hour fair value gap below. Yeah, really clean. So that's definitely the drawn liquidity. I don't even have to. Let's look at ES. Man, bro, I really gotta zoom in here. Oh shit, ES took it. I guess that kind of complicates things, but we have SMT right here, right? That's SMT. No, it's not. I'm tripping. Well, the bias stays the same. I'm gonna wait. Smart midnight opening. I'm gonna wait for these highs to get taken, and then I'm gonna take a position for these shorts. Um, Not necessarily London high. Yeah, I don't like it when it's like this when we're so far, because now if a setup forms, I have to question myself. Do I want to take it or not? Like, at least give me OTE. I'd say at least. At least. Is there a 1 hour bearish for value gap? Yeah, there is. Is there a higher one? Yeah, at least give me OTE. I'd say I find my short because it doesn't necessarily have to take the high all the way. If we go down on the open instead of take the high, would I take longs? And we long to London after lows? Yeah, I was just thinking about that. What's up, Kumar? I was just thinking, like, what if we take out these lows inside the daily fair value gap? Is there really going to be more upside? But the thing about that theory would mean that we're likely to close at the week, like, closer to the weekly high. Like we put in a weekly high, so are we making a new weekly high? Or are we just trading to London and then going lower? I'm trying to figure out the direction of the daily candle. We're still in TGIF conditions. So I feel like I'm leaning more to a bearish close. I guess, well, one thing we do know is this is the drawn liquidity. So for me right now, the best trade I could take is if we if we sweep out the Tyler, we take a long to the bearish FEG, then go short. We take a long to the bearish FEG. Oh, we hit point 0.2 TGIF. Yeah, but isn't it TGIF about the closure, or is it just about the retracement? Because I thought it's like, oh, you hit the weekly high at a key level, and then you close 20-30% lower. Or am I tripping? Maybe I'm tripping. Oh, it's just a retracement. I gotta rewatch that video then. To be honest, my TJF, it's not that, it's not that clean. Yo, I gotta, hold on. I think I accidentally got two more freaking combine accounts. I want to make sure to have freaking 7 combine accounts right now because you can't even have 7 fundeds. Oh, it's these. Okay, that's weird. Wait, what? They reset? Wait, what? Oh shit! I got 6 combines, bro. What the? Am I gonna? Okay, you know what? So I'm just gonna full send 2 of them. I'll keep them. I'll keep them, and I'm just gonna fucking risk like 25% on them or something. Or should I just keep them just in case? Like, I think I just send those ones. I got 6 common with 2 minis. Fuck it. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, just trade like 2 minis on them. Cause now I have 4 combines, 2 of which are up 600, and then another 2 are down 200. The other 2 are fresh. So this is what I'll do. Let me swap out the 2 that are down 200. So cause I'm copy trading, right? But I'm thinking I shouldn't copy trade all 6. So let's go to the copy trading, and we have here 2 accounts. Let's add these 2 to the copy trader and remove these 2. That way, my 2 accounts that are in a little bit of drawdown, I just fucking send those ones because they have a less chance getting past it anyways. My thinking. And if I pass all these 4 funded, then we'll have 5, and then we get a payout. It's gonna be a nice payout. That's the goal. You have a funded account? Yeah, I have 1 funded, and now I have 4 challenge accounts, right? Or 6 challenge accounts, I guess, right now. Okay, let's see. What does it look like we're gonna do? It looks like we're gonna tap into OTE here. So, what's up, Sai? Just came to say hi. Thank you, bro. I like that you came to say hi. Oh shoot, did I not? I didn't post the. I didn't post that I was live. Damn, you guys came anyway. Did I post I was live? No, I didn't post I was live. I have 6, 8 top step actually. Well, personally, man, I don't know what it is. I just don't really like Apex. The only time I'll go to Apex is when I'm like getting consistent payouts and I want like 10 or 20 accounts. That's gonna be the only time I go there. I don't like their dashboard. I don't like how they're I don't like their trailing drawdown. I don't like their payout policy. I don't like how you have to take 10 trading days. To me, that doesn't make sense. Like, why do I have to take 10 trading days? What? What if I have 5 really good days? I need to take 5 more trades? What? It makes no sense. And then like you can't like you get like punished for leaving like runners or catching like really good RR because if it reverses on you, you're chilling down now, it's fucked. So like it's just shit, bro. I don't like that stuff. I don't like that. And I don't like the dashboard. I will say like it's definitely a amazing futures prop firm. I just prefer Top Step personally. God damn, bro. You got three 150K experts from MFF, and then you got 15 funded from Apex? Bro, you're telling me you're working with 18 funded accounts right now? Or did I read that wrong? Okay, 930 candle. Damn, bro, good for you, bro. Let's get a payout for you then, bro. You gotta get a payout, bro. You get a big, nice, fat, juicy payout, bro. Five more to pass. That's good, bro. That's good. Yeah, this guy is in, bro. Damn. Hopefully soon. I mean, I don't know if it's your goal, but hopefully soon you can get a I don't know, like maybe start opening it once you have enough like payouts, you can open your own account maybe too. Work on that shit. All right, what are we looking for? We what's going on here? Did NDS just say class? Oh no, okay. We are simply looking for retracement for a short. Where can we retrace? I'm looking at this fair value gap. We're about to tap in right here. So and then we're also looking at OTE. That's what I'm looking at. Let's see on the 1 minute time frame what happens here. So just a simple like, fair value gap tap, and then we look lower. So I want to count 2 for certain trades. I rate that. Do you do that with Forex or futures? Damn, we dumping. This is what I didn't want to happen. I didn't want us to just like, yo, what broker do you use? Because I've been looking to try to get into that, and I could just not find a good broker. So I do swing trades with Forex now. RMB, that's what I heard was good in Canada too. Dude, so how much, I don't know if I don't want to bother you too much, but like how much you have to deposit for you to, bro, why does this, damn, okay, let's see if we can tap in. Um, how much you have to deposit, like, do you trade micros there or minis? ES? Oh, ES tapped in. It's interesting, but I might seriously look into that. What do you think is like the minimum you have to deposit to get into a trade with micros? What's like the minimum margin? No minimum. Even no, but like just a margin. You don't need any margin for like. Hold on. I'm saying to be able to put a micro into a trade, you don't have to have like a minimum amount in your account. 80. Oh, daily margin rate. Okay, nice. That's pretty good. Yeah. Okay, that's really fucking good, bro. I wonder how much I could turn like $500 to with micros or $1,000. Okay, let's see. I don't like the first two candles so far. I don't want to force a trade, but I want to take for swing one micro 1650. Yeah, I wouldn't probably do. I mean, would I do swing trades? Yeah, maybe. So 1650 for a swing micro. Okay, makes sense. I wouldn't want to hold overnight anyways, but I like swing trading. Like I like taking longs and shorts on like Monday or Tuesday, and then holding. How long you been trading for, bro? We have 10 a.m. news. What's up, Gloom? DXY is trading higher. Good shit, bro. You're an OG. I'm gonna be like you one day. What's 10 a.m. news? Oh, we got preliminary. Mm-hmm. Okay. So we're most likely gonna wait for that. There is a small fair value gap right here. It's at 11. I swear it's at 10. You mean 10? Almost at 10 a.m. PO3. Wait, could have sworn I saw a chat that said 10 a.m. PO3. The U.S. Federal Reserve Monetary Police report is at 11. Damn. You know what? I don't even see that. Interesting. Um, yeah, market watch. Damn, well, I don't know that was there. Well, hopefully we're out of a trade. You're bullish. I hope it works out for you. I'm looking. I'm personally looking for shorts from here. Let's see if we can tap in, take out these equal lows, and then potentially look for longs. I'll take two trades on my if I win the first. I'll take another on my combine, but on my funded, I'm just gonna go for the one A plus. All right, we tapped in. Would I take it if we get a setup now? Mm, I don't know. I don't know if it's really clean. If it gives me a breaker SMT, I'll take a short. What's up, JP? You taking a trade, JP yet? Probably not, right? 2 weeks, one trade. Hey, man, did you win that one trade at least? After the 15-minute low? You're talking about 7 a.m., Kumar? Yesterday you could have. I missed my trade yesterday too, bro, to be honest. You know what, JP? I'm gonna tell you what. You got your capital. What's it called when you reserve? Like capital reserve? Reserving capital, and you're reserving mental. The mental reserve is actually important. Hey, what are you waiting for exactly? Um, we're not in OTE. There's a 15-minute fair value gap here. You need this bread mail stripping. 2 weeks, 10 trades. 10 not that bad. Well, the thing is, like sometimes one day you'll take two because you want, like personally for me, if I lose one, I give myself one opportunity to make it back or and to break even with less risk, but still I'm trying. We're in thin range to also wait for the sweep of the high. Yeah, I mean we could definitely go up all the way there, but we don't have to. I'm happy taking shorts inside of as long as we're inside of a premium, which we are right now. I don't have to take for me personally. We don't have to take this high. We could just do this. You know, I don't need to see like the sweep and then the break. I'm good, bro. I'm good. Trying to take a trade today. I don't want to force it, but I do want to take a trade. So let's really focus up here. See if something good forms. Yesterday we missed one. So right now, what am I looking at? I'm looking at this wick. Looking at that wick. Yes, 655 5-minute FTG was so cool. Oh, the inversion. Low high low low high high. That's a clean breaker. 530 M5 holding. Yeah, it's holding right now. I think it'll go higher. I don't think it's gonna respect that 5-minute FTG for a while, but I mean it might. I don't know. This one you're talking about. I think it'll go through. But I guess let's see. Because we tapped into the 15-minute and then we traded up into the 5. But I need more personally. I don't want to favor trade off a 5-minute. If we really wick, it's really just the 15-minute OB as well. What color should I make this? Let's go gray. The 15-minute OB. The pretty strong wick on the 15. Would I take a trade before? Maybe. What's the? You know what? I didn't check. Yeah, what's the daily range? What's how many points? 150. Not bad. I'll be patient because I know something will form at 10 a.m. Yeah, 10 a.m. news will make things clear. We're in the middle. I'm more like I want price to come down here. I'm pretty confident that these lows are going to get taken out. The only question is where do I want to take my short from? Because obviously if we sweep the highs and we get a nice setup, that's a good setup. But I don't know if we have enough movement to sweep those highs is what I'm trying to say. So right now, we're already in the dealing range OTE, I think. Yeah, we're in dealing range OTE. We tapped into this order block and this fair value gap. If we respect it, is that enough? Yeah, that's exactly what Alejandro said. TGIF was already met, so could be right. Just around OTE must be good for me. Yeah, it's good for me too. I guess we'll wait for 10 a.m. just to fade some entries. Yo, no way. You're my 100 subscriber, bro. Yo, this is a fucking monumental moment, bro. I'm gonna clip this shit and put it in my, I don't know where actually. I don't have anywhere to put it. But I appreciate you, bro. Like max OTE is 0.79. Like, even, what if we did this? I'm saying, like, would I even take the trade? I don't think I would, just because 10 a.m. news is so close. I guess there's a pretty low chance that it starts to take out these lows. Like we have equal lows here, and then the higher time frame drawn liquidity. I'm pretty bearish for this session. Just gotta find out where we're taking our lows from. Is that SMT at the highs? I mean, yeah, we made equal highs there. So let's see what we got. Let's see. 911 low looks juicy. Yeah, like those equal lows look like as a bare minimum. Even 933 low. Like I don't think 2-day low is gonna be 933. It's pretty. All these lows look so we're creating a 4-hour fair value gap. Bearish, bullish. Oh, bearish fair value gap. Yeah, that would be good. We're inside the 1 hour as well, which I remember. My humor is broken. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. These equal lows on the 1 hour or the daily fair value gap. That's previous day low. That's my drawn liquidity. I think price is gonna trade into there. After that, I don't know. Yeah, maybe it'll go up. Um, but for me, like I don't know. For me, the only clarity is I think we're gonna trade down to here. I don't know. The longs just I don't know. They don't look really clear for me, especially on a Friday. Like, are we gonna end the week at the weekly high? Like close closer to the weekly high? Because our weekly high right now is Thursday. I feel like it's pretty rare for Friday to close at the weekly high, right? Or am I um like I don't know, maybe I just don't have enough experience. Honestly, Friday's already not the best day for me. So okay, here we go. We have a SMT with a breaker. Oh, potential breaker. Would I take this right at the macro? If it forms like if it inverses this, maybe if you go up high in the PM, go to TGIF again. Yeah, that's true. Oh, is that how it works? Like there's just a range where you expect retracement from? I really should rewatch that video. I swear I watched it so many times, but I don't know. I guess I confuse it. Damn, ES is weak. Would I take this if we displace lower? Mm, maybe not right now because we're getting close to the 15-minute imbalance. We're closing up the 4 hour. I think it wants to close up the 4 hour, to be honest. Efficient price trading. It's not in a rush to go anywhere. It's gonna close up the 4 hour imbalance. Longs are cooked after we reach midnight. Yeah. Displacement was news candle. Yeah, there's a 4 hour closed up. There's a 15-minute FEG tapped in. That's that max OTE. If there's SMT, yo, ES really did not run, eh? But I swear this is just market manipulation at this point. What is that, bro? We just traded 40 points up in NQ and ES fucking sitting in the corner. But I don't like it as equal highs. Okay, we tapped into the M15. We tapped into OTE, max OTE. We did close up the 4 hour bearish fair value gap, but to me, I think it's just efficient price trading. Now this high is probably in the picture. Bullish one. Yeah, we have these SMT here. But we also have SMT on the daily chart with previous day high and low right here. So I'm not really worried about the bearish SMT. I mean, I should be cautious, right? Because we did technically sweep this low. But ES is showing weakness right now. So let's see, I guess. Mark this up with a red line. I guess I'll be patient now. What do I want to see ideally? Mm, the thing is, I don't want to enter before news now, but I still want to figure out what I want to see because usually when I just call it perfectly and then my trade usually wins if I can just predict it nicely. If NQ gives us a breaker, Dow's going down. Yeah, DXY. Yo, I fucking love Alejandro, bro. This guy's keeping me in check. DXY looks like it's going higher. DXY's been trading higher, higher highs. If we can get a breaker here, maybe high. We didn't even put it at low. What would I do? A little bit unclear for me so far. I'm still bearish, but let's see. Like obviously, maybe we sweep London highs, and that forms. If we have an SMT at London highs, I guess that's pretty good. We just tapped into the order block and this fair value gap in OTE. For some reason, I just don't think it's gonna go down now. I feel like I've taken shorts in a situation like this before and it just did not play. So let's just wait for news and then decide what I want to see. Maybe. but you got stopped by one tick and then it played out. Did you put it at a low? Bro, personally, I always put my stop like one tick below or above. Because sometimes it's just not that precise, bro. But like, yeah. We'll just wait here. It's 9 more minutes. There's no point in taking a trade yet. Put in a high, low. Maybe if we get a breaker in here. Um, Look at 3 a.m. I was in a short at that high. Oh my god, did you short like high of day almost? Oh my god, and the 4 hours FEG still being respected. Hold on, let me go back and look. Oh, the bullish for value gap. The 4 hour bullish one. I'm not think market is gonna wait for the news. Yeah, if it just consolidates until then. Well, if you got a short around 3 a.m., damn. I guess London doesn't get that many setups, but if you really know, this is how I think. In my opinion, if you really know what you're doing, bro, you can catch really good like intraday trades during London. 355 was your stop loss. Am I tripping? The best session is London. Because I think it's hard, and I've never traded London, but I think realistically, if you really know what you're doing and you can figure out like a classic buy or sell day, like a classic ICT buy or sell London high of day, bro, you will catch moves like this. You will just catch the entire move from like 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. and then just expect New York retracement. Top off was a high before that. Oh, you got stopped. Oh, that's so sad, bro. You literally just got manipulated out and then it played. That's so sad. Because maybe you entered on this fair value gap or this fair value gap. Stop loss at the high. Damn, that's so sad, bro. That is really sad. You literally just got manipulated out. That's very unfortunate. Seeing a high get swept is not bad. You said the 4 hour FET is being respected. Yeah, this 4 hour FET is being respected for sure. I guess there's two ways to look at it, right? You can think about this as like us coming for all time high off the 4 hour fair value gap. The way I see it is we put in a low here that we're gonna take later and manipulate people into going long. I don't know. But I guess it definitely plays both ways. I think I'm leaning more towards shorts. That make a lot of sense. Like this 9:30 to 10, I'll do this. That's the problem in all-time highs. I mean, I don't want to long a 4 hour bullish fair value gap anyway. Just premium ass fair value gap. We did close up this whole range though. But ES is showing weakness. There's no really higher time frame PD rates to go off of. 50-minute breaker in here, isn't there? That's a breaker. That's a minute breaker with the FEG. Well, at this point, we already traded all the way up here. Are we not going to take the high? Let's see. If we fail to take the high, that's a pretty good confluence. Let's stay on the 50-minute time frame for now. So yes, showing weakness and Q's a deep in a premium now. Let's see. Like the issue is if news starts to display slower, am I gonna? Yeah, I don't think I need to see the high get taken. If we like respect this breaker, because we could at least take a short into that 15-minute fair value gap. At least I'd say you can get away with a safe short if you get just a displacement and a nice entry with nice RR at that low, and then potentially even lower. I mean ES showing weakness. ES respecting, kind of, not really. There's a 1 hour fair value gap. That's better to look at there. If ES is respecting 50% of the 1 hour. No, not really right now, but still 4 minutes. Let's see what the news candle does. What do I think the news candle is gonna do? I don't fucking know. I think it's gonna play both sides. I think it's gonna go wick wick. That's my guess. I'm literally just guessing though. I don't know. I also don't even know like how impactful this news is. It genuinely could do nothing. I feel like it doesn't just directly go there without us. Yeah. Oh shit. Why did I think it was? I thought it was 9:59. It was 9:57. I thought it was gonna drop right there. Let's give it a bit more time. Okay, Roku stock, bro. I am down so much money on Roku stock. I don't understand. All tech stocks hit all-time highs. Where's our market structure shift area? The thing is, 10 a.m. news is gonna make that difficult because it's probably just gonna take out liquidity on either both sides or so. Where would I look for a microstructure shift? I'll have to look at 10 a.m. first and then decide where my setup will form. For example, if we trade 10 a.m., I'll do something cool. Sometimes 10 a.m. candle will only have no high or low, right? I'll take it. I'll show you. I'll show you what I mean. When it's a flat body candle, I might take a longer short, targeting the lower high that of the flat body. Okay, let's see. We got 2 minutes. Well, like all tech stocks hit all-time highs, right? Roku literally hit a 1 year low, and it's like literally top in its freaking industry. Doesn't make sense, bro. Every time they get a news, like every time there's some news talking about Roku, they did some good shit. I don't know, some partnership, some sales, but the fucking stock price just keeps going down, bro. I don't understand. I don't understand. But I'm holding that shit forever because I'm not closing that shit. No stop loss in my stocks, bro. We hold till it's green. Tim's, MC, or Starbucks for iced coffee? Yo, iced coffee? I think McDonald's. I think McDonald's. I'm not bougie enough to go to Starbucks yet. You know, that's not me. So it'd be Tim's, and I think I like McDonald's French vanilla the most, or like caramel. Tim's is good though. GB long because of yearly fair value gap. Good shit, bro. I have most of my money in Roku. Bro, I'm telling you, I think it's gonna go back to like 75, bro, or like 70s, maybe like even in the next couple years, hundreds. Roku stock, leading streaming platform in the US, and they work internationally. Their fucking earnings was amazing. Stock price went down. A wick up and displace lower might be good. Yo, is this guy a market maker? Hold on. What's going on? Yeah, wick up would be good. Because now we have high, low, higher, high, lower, low. Give me a market structure shift right here. Oh, what's going on? Wait, was that two? Oh, that was an early candle. Oh, I'm tripping. Yeah, that was an early candle. Oh, yeah. Okay. On. Shit. News drop. Yes, yes, it did. Bro, hold on. It's like a whole lot of nothing, no? Unless this shit, like, keep going. I feel like it's so... Okay. 15-minute breaker respected. No way that news candle. I don't give a shit. That's respected. This coloring outside the lines, that's BS. That's just because news. Would I take this fair value gap? I think so, bro. To be honest. Hmm. I really like these equal lows. Expecting open hand low close before taking charts and go high. You think it's gonna take that high? I don't know if it's gonna take that high. It might. Might not. Let's see how this fair value gap closes. Yo, Dow's been delivering some good shit. Okay. Would I take this? I think it's pretty clean. I don't know. I don't know if you wanted more wick. You wanted it to take out this high? 12 points. I don't know if it's gonna go up there. If we close above this low, probably won't take it. That's a strong wick, though. We close like right there. Well, I didn't take it. Gonna be a little bit more patient here. Stop loss would be here. Because we also have this 15-minute bullish. FPG ain't really small. I don't really care about the size. I care about the displacement from the low. It's small because this wick. But we'll see. We can always just market seller buy. That's a pretty nice reaction. Let's see. If we get a close, it's a nice wick. I like this. How do I make it so I can sell multiple? 3? Let's do 2 because I don't have time to calculate my risk. All right, we in here. I like this. Small position. I'll take a partial off here. Maybe. Let's see. I want to put my stop loss at that high. Let's go small stop. Let's go small stop. I didn't get to take it on my combine. I like that reaction. So there we just waited for a reaction, and it was a good reaction. I'm going to be cautious because we do have the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Didn't close above fair value gap. Yeah. We do have the 15-minute fair value gap right here. Let's turn this into ticks. I don't want to see money. Okay. Delete this shit on ES. I don't like seeing that stuff. Oh shit. Delete midnight opening. Delete this. Let's delete this breaker. Give myself more space. I like clean charts. I'm just gonna mark out these equal lows on ES. Okay, we're trading back into our entry. I think our stop loss is good, 17 points. Should it trade above that high? Could get manipulated out. How many more ticks would it be for this fair value gap high? 8, 9 points. I think I'll keep my stop loss there. Do I want to take a partial at the 15? What I'll do is I'll see how we react to the 15-minute fair value gap. If it looks like it's not gonna displace, I'll just break even then. It's a good trade. Yeah, I like the trade. Could have got a better entry if I trusted it more. 10 points. But let's see. We did close below this low. Yeah, let's see if we can. We'd have to inverse those. Yes, and a 15-minute bullish FEG. Oh, this one right here. Yeah. Yep, you're right. I'm not a fan of taking. Oh wait, is it? Is this? I didn't calculate my R. Oh shit, that's 4R. Oh, that's not my entry. Like that's 1R. I really personally don't want to take a partial there. Let's see how this closes, because I thought we were gonna really rush lower quickly. Right now we aren't. This wick kind of makes our stop loss damaged. Yes, nice setup. We're in this 1 minute fair value gap, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. Oh, we didn't even tap in yet, so at least we can expect it to go lower a bit to at least tap in. Getting nice wicks. I don't know. I don't really like my entry because, yeah, I don't really like my entry. I think it was a good trade, just maybe not the best entry. I didn't even get to take it on my combines because it's no limit order. So what do I expect to happen here? Not this. I expect it to tap into this 1 minute fair value gap. Maybe I'll break even then because it's probably going to trade into the 15-minute there. We're closing up the 15-minute fair value gap here, which is nice. No lows taken out, really. Oh, we're getting stopped out. Hundo P. So I'm looking at this wick 50%, but it looks like we're going to get stopped out. Obama just clicked buy. Go to setting, trading, activate the instant orders placement. Setting. Trading. I don't know what this does, but yo, we'll take it. Oh, this. Yeah, we're definitely getting stopped out here. I don't see this. It's already so close. We close above 50% of the wick. If it gives us a chance to break even, I will. If we close up this whole range, I think ES has a fair value gap up here. If it gives us a chance to close early, minus 28 profit. Pretty low risk. We only took 2 micros. So you can add cons on the top or left. Oh, sick. That is sick. Okay, what do I want to do here? We didn't take the high out. I don't like that we... Let's see if we close up this range completely and we close below. I won't just take the... I won't just close. I feel like I didn't get into a good trade. I would have wanted to see this run. Dollar sinking. Yeah, that's not good. But nice freaking candle though on the 1 minute. I don't know. Now I'm just second guessing shit. I mean, that's the 15-minute fair value gap right there. I might break even right here to be safe. It's a 15-minute fair value gap, and I already kind of like the trade. We're already starting to wick. I should have maybe hindsight taken a partial there, but let's see. We might just break even here. Oh, you got in on this fair value gap? I'm being cautious. Maybe a little too cautious. You know what? I'll trail my stop here, actually. This is a... We didn't change state delivery just yet, though. I don't like that wick. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close this. I don't like it. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'll just take that, whatever that was. 20 whatever dollars. I don't like that wick. I don't know. ES took the low. ES took the low as well. I didn't even see that. Um, maybe that was preemptive. Maybe that was too early. But the reason I did that is because I feel like I should have taken a partial right here. I'll hold. I hope it works for you, bro. It honestly, that might have been a mistake by me, but because the truth is, this is the thing. If I took my original entry here, I 100% would have taken a partial here because that's like almost 2R. But I didn't get the best entry fill already. 5-minute FEG bullish NQ still holding. Yeah, we did trade pretty deep into it though. Interesting. You look at the 5-minute a lot. I don't really look at that much. But ES took the low, and for me, I wanted to get out there. But yo, these lows look freaking juicy, bro. I really think it's gonna, if it gives us maybe another potential entry. Let's not break our model. Let's go to the 15-minute and see what would we need to happen to take a short. So yeah, basically the first short I took was off the 15-minute breaker. Or let's just say whatever, this BPR. This range right here is where we took our first short from. We got a good reaction. We took the short. Let's see if we trusted the short originally, right? It would have been a lot better. So you got a better fill than me if you took the retest on the, probably a lot better fill than me. We're respecting the, this shit could go lower for sure. Maybe if we get an inversion on the 5-minute. Yo, Alejandro, what do you wait for confirmation? I feel like you're not the type to, I don't know. Somebody tells me you don't enter using like a 1 minute. I'll potentially re-get in here. Maybe not on the combine. If we get an inversion, I want to look to re-get in because the breaker was there too, man. It looks really freaking good right now. So you know what? These lows look freaking juicy. I will say that. I'm gonna look to get in if it gives me a fair value gap here on my combine. Looks really good. We did take out that low. We do have SMT, but it's showing like it's gonna keep going lower. I should have opened at that candle's open. Let's see if I can get on the fair value gap that just formed. This fair value gap forms. I'll look to get in. I'll look to get in. Target these lows. How much risk would 1 micro be? Just out of curiosity. 30. Yeah, I'll take it on the funded too with 1 micro. I break even targeting 1 to 3. Let's go, man. I hope it plays for you, bro. I hope it plays. I might look to get in here. Just waiting for the close. All right, we're in. Took it there. All right, let's see. Do we make the run lower? I did just 1 micro, so it's a break even if we lose. And I did 5 micros on the combine. My stop loss above the FEG high. Let's see if we can close below that candle's low, and then I think we're pretty clear in the run. ES did take that low, but there's a lot more lows to aim for, and they're obviously low of day. So entered off this fair value gap, re-entered here, 1 micro contract. 1 micro, so very small risk, but let's see. Such a nice reaction. That was a really nice push here. I did not see that coming, to be honest. How could I have seen that coming, really? I don't know. We took the low on ES. That was pretty hard to see, I think. But let's see. Hopefully this plays out. I gotta do all that. I made only one lot, man. Russ would have booked one and let the runner win. Yep, I only went in with one. Just because if we do lose, we're break even on the day. And I'm okay with that. Maybe I want to put my stop above this wick. Well, realistically, if we invert this fair value gap, I'll probably stop myself. Um, Hopefully we get a good closure here. And we make a run for these lows. Looks like we might inverse that. Look at the 5 minute. We inversed the 5 minute, came back in. So I think it looks pretty good. Could put our stop at the 5 minute inversion high. But we didn't get a good entry. Still would be 2R. Where do I want to put my stop? I think this is a good stop. Let's go with this. This stop, I like this stop. Yeah, I like this. And then I'll pay attention to the 1 minute. If we inverse, maybe I'll close early. But so far, no inverse. Yeah, I like this so far. Hopefully we start trading lower. ES kind of looks like it just souped these lows, which I don't like. You say 5 minute, and then you go down to the 1 minute. That's pretty good. So you would wait for like this 5 minute inversion, for example. Looks like it's coming for that high. We're gonna get stopped out right there. Yeah, we're stopped. So minus 20 on the day. I'm done with my funded, but I'll look for another trade on my combine. I don't like that ES trade at 5 minute FEG. ES did take these lows. Let's see if we wick. If we wick this, I might look to just get in with low risk. Like maybe we just soup that high turtle soup. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how we close. If we close bearish on this, I'll take one more trade on my combine. If we close below that high. Looking at this right now. And then I'll have like a 4-point stop. And that'll probably be it. No, we went higher. The 50-minute was holding. That 50-minute FEG? Yeah. It is holding. We could potentially see a run up for those highs. ES did take the lows. Let's stay patient here for now. Give it some time to move. 2022 model along. Close on the 1 minute inversion. Not bad for today. Yep, not bad. That's pretty much where I closed to. I'm minus 20. Let's see. Couldn't be. Yeah, we could see a run for these highs now because right. ES did take the lows. Potential 2022 model right here off this market structure shift. Right here. So I'm not gonna take this. You get really good risk. No, I don't like that. I don't like. We're too far. We're too far up. We didn't finish the. Let's see. Let's stay patient. Exit at my TDC. Good trade though. Gotta run my. Hey, you good, bro? You gave me like 0.5%. That's good, bro. See you, brother. See you. Let's see. So ES did take those equal lows. ES never gave an entry short though. If you notice, just kind of made a run. ES was always weaker, and Q was stronger. This could be a move for the PM. Oh, ES gave one on the 3 minute. Bro, you're goated, bruh. Oh shit. No, but I couldn't take a trade like this. Like, there's no way. I don't know where I'd put my stop. Like, I guess even if you put it there, like, even if you enter at the 50%, which is you wouldn't even got him filled. So I couldn't have taken that. No way. The only trade I would take is if we got to fill here. Yeah, I think I should have. It's hindsight now, but I should have trusted this play right here, and just taken my like this probably would have been something like this. Just taking like my 1.9. Should have taken the trade off here. It was a good trade, just not good trade management, I think. 2022 model long right here. See if it plays. Let's see this. Might go tight stop. Spread didn't let me in the 2R. That's tough. Just close manually. Yeah, me too. Nice run up, nice run up. I did enter this. I did take this 2022 model on my combine, but very, very tight stop right there. I would not take this trade on my funded. Not an A+ trade. But on a combine that I'm trying to pass. Easy, Armin. Take care, brother. I hope you sleep well. I don't know why I said sleep well, bro. That was just fucking panic. I hope you have a good day. When night comes, hope you sleep well too. Enjoy yourself, bro. Enjoy yourself. All right. Hopefully this fair value gaps gets created. And where's my entry? I pretty much got. This is basically the trade that I took right here. After 11, hey, that's all you, bro. I personally don't trade to 11, so I hope you catch something. I hope you catch something. If you do, let me know though. Let me know. There's a fair value gap there. I want to add some. $19,659. 19,6. Let's go 658 to be safe. All right, let's see. Should we only trade 10 a.m.? Oh no, I trade 9:30 to like sometimes I'll do like 11:10 sometimes, but not that often. What is this high exactly at? You think this high is gonna get rated 1659? I'll break even after we take this high out on the 15-minute. I guess I'll show the trade here just so it's not boring. So this trade I took 5 micros and we just took that high. So I am going to break even. And then see if we could run up into the 15-minute high there. So let's see if I can make back what I lost on my combine. We're pretty much break even on the funded. Let's see if we can just run up here. Get a nice tag. 10 more points. So we're looking for another 100. We'll be break even on the day. It's not a good stop loss, but I already took a kind of a greedy trade there, so I don't want to risk it. Let me cancel these limits here. I mean, we'll give it a chance, right? If I'm still interested in the shorts. I think it's honestly it's tough now. I'll have to just sit back and reevaluate because 15-minute time frame. Let's look at the 15-minute time frame here. Compare. I really wanted these lows. We didn't take it on NQ. We respected the 15-minute and we took out the high. NQ takes London. It's yeah. It's I think it's not clear for me just because they're just not moving in sync at all. S&P the highs and lows. I don't know. Like, is NQ gonna come for the high and then break lower? Is NQ gonna sweep just this internal high and then right ERL, IRL, or IRL to ERL and go lower? It's possible. Did we get stopped out there? Break even? Oh yeah, we got stopped break even there. So I don't want to overtrade, but if we really get a breaker here, off the 15-minute sweep, this will be my last trade because we just swept this high. If we get this breaker, I'll take this trade. This is my A plus entry. Wait for another 15-minute PDA rate tag. Gotta be strong though. Nah, 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 not like that. Not like that. Not convinced. So that might be it for me. That would have been really nice, but no. The breaker's on the 30-second time frame there. Well, if we close below, high, low, higher, high, lower, low, but we did not. Yeah, I don't know. This tough, so might just call it there. To be honest, try to. There is a fair value gap that is playing in there. If this fair value gap holds and we displace lower, I'm still bearish, but the SMT to lows kind of makes it difficult. Tough for me. Tough for me. I don't want to force anything. Yeah, maybe it's waiting for that 11 a.m. news, like you said. If we get the breaker and the inversion, would I take it? Should I just close the charts? Just close the chart. Right, we're still up on the combines. Here, I have two combines that I literally, even if I pass them, I cannot even trade them. So let's go for that. Let's go for that then. Because I literally cannot do anything with these combines. So even if I pass them, I won't be able to use them. So I might as well just send to these ones. Let's do that. That's a good idea. YOLO with the news. There's no news at 11. No, apparently there's some police report that I don't even know about, but Alejandro knows his shit. Um. Oh, you guys saying should I just send it with the news? Uh, Shit, maybe actually. To be honest, I kind of want to just get rid of these accounts, or I'm taking this inversion on that account. Where's my stop? At the high. Where's my TP? Well, let's see if you got a fill on the inversion. I'm taking this trade on my combine that I don't really care about whether I lose it or keep it. Oh, did I miss the entry there? Trying to get a good entry here. Right there, I took it. Okay, I took it. 10 micros. We're in shorts. Nice wick. Pretty much this is the trade I took. And 40 points. I'll just sell there. If I lose this, I'm done. I don't want to do no dumb shit. But that's not. Hold on. We gotta take a limit by 5, and we'll leave a runner. 5 runners. 5 runners. All right. Let's see. This will probably be my last whatever trade with the micros. This is the trade I took. This is the trade, and I'm taking half the position off here. So let's see. So off the 15-minute sweep, SMT at the highs, we got a breaker, we got an inversion. I took the inversion and took 10 micros on this account. So over risk, but again, I don't really care. So $400 risk on this account. What is that? That's about 25%, 20% ish. So let's see if this plays. So far, good. Wait a minute, I just realized if I win this trade, then this account's closer to passing than my other ones. So do I start YOLOing the other ones and then taking these ones serious? Shit. Never thought about that. It's a nice run so far. I just thought about that. Because they're all so close. I mean, first get the trade. You're right, true. You're right. So let's see. Start hedging. I don't even know what that is, brother. I know hedge fund. All right. I'm a private equity manager. All right. Lowering my stop to here. Overall, my performance today was not that good, to be honest. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't that good. So hopefully we take this lower. I'm gonna be patient here. So half off here, 50% off here, 50% off here. I'm just going with 50 and 50. And then the other runners. It's a nice fair value. Could I look to potentially add? Nah, we're already so close. Another 20 points I'm adding for. How protective is this stop loss? Pretty protected, I'd say, because now that we have this high, this this fair value gap with the inversion, we'd have to really like just invert that whole move. Go for it. We added 5. We added 5. So now it's 75% off here. That's like the first time I've ever done that. So let's see. Basically hoping for this fair value gap to hold with the inversion. Ew, that's ugly. Why is it like yellow? I don't like that. That's okay. There it is. This is the praying for the 1 minute line. praying for a 1 minute. Oh yeah, literally, bro. That would be fucking great. Just on the 1 minute line. That's funny. 1 minute line. I've never heard that before. I'm praying for that line. I need that line to the dip. I don't even need that. Just give me this low right here, bro. Just give me this internal low. Don't even give me these nice, juicy, equal lows. Not even talking about the daily fair value gap here, which would be amazing. Right, this is right here, right? It's like around this level. But yeah, I forget the line, but just give me this. Give me this. I don't need that much. I don't need the line. Bro, if I get the line, that'd be like a one pass, bro. I took 15. That'd be like a one-time pass. Half the line. Where is the daily fair value gap? Anyways, right there. I'm happy with this. I mean, we'll have a runner. We'll leave a runner. That's what we'll do actually. You know what? We'll take off 75 and then 10 and then we'll leave a runner. Actually, that's already a lot of movement though because okay, 75% off is one tick away. Don't fuck with me, bruh. Don't fuck with me. That's gonna hit it anyways. How much more from our next partial? It's another 40 points with 5, so that's another 400. So, hello. You better run through the lows. No SMT, so it's probably gonna run through. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna lower it a little bit because yo, it turns me out. Now it's gonna run through both of these. Smart, bro. I'm actually smart as fuck. Watch, see, I'm gonna catch a little bit more points here. Am I greeting? Am I greeting? I basically lowered it to like right here. I mean, realistically, it should run both of these. We gon' go on the sound of my whistle. Okay, there it is, half off, or shit, 75. Nice trade. Let's see if we can catch the runners. Stops to break even. I don't really like the break even on this, but let's do it anyways. Break even doesn't make sense to me because my break even is like right here in this fair value gap. That's my break even. So let's see. Can we run to our final target with 5 micros? We caught a good trade there. So today I'll reflect on my trading performance. I made a bad performance. Today was bad. First trade I took was good, but it was bad because I should have. My model says, Amir, take this trade. This is my model. I adjusted my entry because I wasn't that confident. This was the trade I should have taken. All right. That was the trade I should have taken. I did not take it, but I did take a deeper entry. That deeper entry caused me to not take the partial here because it wasn't good RR. And I still should have done it. I should have closed there because that was my initial target. Because there was no 15-minute confirmation on the trade. So that was my trade. Model permissible. The second trade I took was not model permissible because my model starts with higher time frame PD rate tagged. This trade right here, this trade I took right here, check because we hit the higher time frame OTE order block breaker and we gave an entry in the 1 minute, so valid. But this trade, I don't like to take trades that just are like playoffs of the first. You know what I'm saying? Those are the trades I always lose. Like for example, right here, this entry, valid for me. Even though we're playing off the same idea right here, I don't like that trade. That trade, I don't take that trade personally because those are always the ones I lose. I like it when it hits the PD array, reaction, entry, you know? That's me. This one, I don't like. Our risk management was good though, so we'll give us that. But this trade right here, this is the one that the second time I hit my model, but because I already took 2 trades today, I did not take that one. Notice how we swept the 15-minute high. That's a 15-minute PD rate or higher. So reflecting on my performance, not good. The first trade, I took a bad entry. First day I took a bad entry. Yeah, this is a clean run. Yeah, we got a nice on the combine. The first trade I took was a bad entry and bad trade management. Second trade I took, should not have taken that trade. Thirdly, I should have taken this trade because this was the best one of all of them. And this is like A plus for my model. This was A plus. I wouldn't have entered here. I would have entered on the inversion or the breaker. 30 says a 30-second breaker in here. It's this one. This candle right here. We traded back into it. This breaker right here. So luckily we ended pretty much break even on this and overall profitable on the combines. But that doesn't mean I did good. Today I give myself like a 5 out of 10, to be honest. I don't really like how I went about today. Because I should have taken this trade, but I didn't allow myself to because I took two already. Did you close your trade? So I'm break even right now with runners. This is the trade. So I added here, which is why it looks like my. I added some position here. Institutional order flow with entry was good, but scary after the turtle soup. Yeah. So yeah. So this trade was good. I should have taken this on my funded. The reason I didn't is because I don't let myself take more than two. That's a fixed rule, which is fine. I'm happy I followed that rule. The issue is that second trade. You only traded NQ? No, I trade DS too. Just mostly NQ. I like NQ more. I like NQ more. I like the volatility. I like the movement. Oh yes. Oh yeah, we both took that low. So yeah, we're pretty much just hoping for a runner now or break evens. We could close, right? If we inverse this, maybe we'll look to close, just catch whatever extra profits. We're in this trade still, expecting these lows to get taken out. I am new to ICT. What do you advise? Study a lot and practice a lot before you start trading because you're gonna have to do that eventually. My mistake was I got into trading too quick. You hesitated too much and chased entries. Yeah, this trade right here. Check. Check. Bias. Oh, bias is first. Bias. Check. All right. Hard time frame PD array. Check. M1 confirmation or lower time frame confirmation. Check. And then we also had the SMT. Oh, so just got stopped a little higher than break even there. Stopped out right here. Just realistically, I should have put my stop maybe above that order block. Even though it wasn't break even, it would have been like a 4-point stop loss. I think it makes sense because yeah, that would have been a better idea because like it's pretty high probability for it to trade back into here. I think that's 50% of the range as well, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's literally 50% of the range. So it's a little bit less, so maybe it would have literally took that high and then went lower. Anyway, very good trade we took. 900 on the combine. Oh shoot. Bro, I only took it on one combine. And so shit. Okay. Wow. Okay, that's tough. We're just like one. Now all my combines are freaking. Took a short from 1028 FEG. This one right here. Nice. Yep, that's pretty much the same trade I took. The inversion, it kind of laps. It laps in with the. I took the inversion. Fair value gap's fine too. Yeah, pretty much the same trade I took. But wow, I can't believe I only took that on one combine. Bro, today was just a shit show. Today was just a shit show. For real. I only took it on one combine. Does anyone know how to show executions? There's gotta be a way, right? Gonna come back PM. Yeah, man, bro, honestly, PM, if these lows don't get taken, you can't. I think initially you couldn't, but they just added a way for you to do it. I got an email saying executions are back. You can show them on your chart. I just don't know how. Yeah, bad performance today. I'm not gonna go in the PM because honestly, I'm a little bit tilted now. I can't lie. Maybe if I clean up because I'm still bearish. If these lows don't get taken, I'm just gonna expect them to get taken in the PM. Um, yeah, bad performance. Even that last moment, that last thing here, I should have my stop loss should have been maybe OTE now. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it, but 100% maybe. Right equals note and repeat. Wrong equals avoid and miss. Wait, hold on. I'm confused, brother. Explain. Right equals note and repeat. So what did I do right? Bro, I feel like nothing really, to be honest. The only thing I did right, I didn't even manage that second trade well. What did I do good today? I mean, I read price pretty well. I think it was about 4 just mid it. And at the same time, market was shit. Maybe. What I if the best thing I could have done is not taking that second trade. If I did not take that second trade, this trade I would have taken, and this is my trade. This is my setup. This is like my two fucking 200 like 700 back test, 500 back test trades that I've taken. This is the same trade. This is the one. It's not the cleanest, but I've practiced with the breaker and the inversion and the fair value gap here and this change of state of delivery, which by the way might tap into right now. So let's see. Not that I would take it, but so I think that was my biggest mistake. I should not have taken that second trade. Because then I would have been able to take this. And also, just like I ended up only taking that on one combine. I was supposed to take it on two. So now all my combines are kind of out of order. Well, three of them are in. No, they're not even in sync, bro. So two of them are in sync with each other. Another two are in sync with each other. So there's a pair of two pairs of two, and then two singled out. You jump in chop machine, you didn't get clapped, so that's not over. RR was good. You jump on the chop machine. Yeah, which one was that? It was this trade here, right? I think I re-entered here or something. I think this trade was good. Like, yeah, the first mistake I made was I should have TP'd right here. That 15-minute FEG, there was a good chance price was going to trade into it. And it was kind of 50-50 whether it rejected it or not. Especially because it was in like equilibrium. We shorted the 15-minute bullish. Yeah, exactly. That second entry was really bad. Because I was literally going to TP. That was a bad second entry. That was just a FOMO entry. I was like, oh shit, it might continue lower. That was a FOMO entry, 100%. So that was bad for sure. But even the first trade I took, I was gonna TP at that 15-minute FEG, just a quick scalp. Like it's like I don't say my second model, but a lot of the time I'll take a trade to where I want to take a trade from. Not that I was gonna take longs, but that's kind of the idea. I was anticipating a retracement there, and then from there I would have decided if we inverted, I would have went for a short. If we didn't invert, I'd wait for the high to get swept and then go. That was like the game plan there, which is what we happened here, which is why this is A plus, because we went from 15-minute, we swept the high, and then with SMT we went lower, and it confirmed it on the 1 minute for me. So that's why I wanted to TP there, and then potentially look for a second trade. Hey, it's Friday, FMG. You didn't blow your account. But that's a win. Appreciate you, bro. I mean, yeah, it could have been worse, but only $20 down on the funded. We're up really good on one of the combines. The other combines, they're up. They're less up today. but they're up. So we got a good week tomorrow, right? Next week. I'm probably not gonna trade PM today. I just don't think I have the mental capacity now. Cause like so many little mistakes. Realistically, we should be up on all the combines. Cause I fucked up there and I only took it on one, or at least I should have been up on two. And we should have taken this on the funded. So, how many points was that? Just out of curiosity. I know it doesn't matter, but honestly, yo, I should also be happy about my performance because we 2R right there. So let's say I took clothing charts. Yeah, I mean I'll wait. It's 8 minutes. I am curious to see. So 3 micros there. If I took, it would have been 120 risk. 2 micros would have been $80 risk. Oh shit! Holy shit! I thought this was fucking my paper trading. I'm tripping, bruh. Almost took that shit. No, I'm tripping. That was crazy. If I made that, I might have just closed it right away. But damn, how did I not get filled though? How did they sell limit? Oh, we were below, I guess. What was I gonna say? Yeah, the second trade would be up maybe like 100 on the funded. Would I have taken a partial? I would have taken 2 off here and then left the runner. Would have stopped break even. So I know this doesn't matter, but okay, I want to know. I want to know. 40 points, 2 micros, 800. Okay, so 160. So it would have been up 160. Now working back towards the 4. This is another OTE entry, potentially. This is just 1 minute market structure though. Like this is not my model. My model would permit if we took out this high and broke lower. But we are range bound, you're right. If you check the TF, yes, it's chopping the 0.3 level. Yes, it's been chopping. Are we stuck in the hourly candle of range as well? So that trade was kind of just silver bullet as well, really. Just a nice silver bullet. Typical. NQ new day opening gap. Yeah. Is it the same gap from yesterday or today's? Was there a gap today too? Oh, this. There's still this huge gap. Was this today's gap? Am I reading that right? Shit, I'm not. Well, what's today's gap, bro? Isn't it? It's not. It's Thursday and Friday. When trading stops Thursday. When did trading stop Thursday? Oh, let me go to the. Bro, I'm on the hourly. That's why it's so fucking hard to see. Oh, right here. Why am I on the hourly? Yeah, yeah. It would be when trading stopped, so we closed up there. So yeah, 164.25, 150. And when we started trading, so right there, 578. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I was looking at the 1 hour. I was like, where the fuck is this gap? This guy talking about? Yeah, I think I'm definitely not gonna take another trade today. What should I reflect on? I think I did enough reflecting, right? I think I should just take it easy on myself now, enjoy the weekend, do some back testing. Hopefully next week is good. I mean, this week was pretty good, right? We ended profitable on all accounts. So that's a good week. We cannot complain with that week for sure. It could have been a lot better, I feel like. What's next week looking like? There's a lot of news next week, right? I remember June being action packed. Core retails, Monday news. TGI before 9:30. Is that what happened? I'm gonna rewatch that TGI video. PMI Friday, unemployment claims. Damn, Wednesday looks like some ass. What the fuck is day 3? Oh, it's just day 1, day 2. Okay, I see. Retail sales, core retail. So you got some red folders, and then the last week we got red folder every day. NFP's first week of July. Dude, I don't. Oh, FOMC meeting minutes. There's no FOMC statement. So I trade on minutes. Not during. Today was very scalping day. Good luck, man. Have a great week. Oh, easy, Ezzy. Thank you for joining the stream, brother. We hit 100 subs. I don't know if you contributed to that, but I appreciate you because it's my first time seeing you, I think. In my experience, when we hit TGI before 9:30, we top 90% of the time. Interesting. Very interesting. I will keep that to my notes. I guess I'll look out for it because, to be honest, I don't like taking notes from other people, but I will look at that while I'm studying. Because honestly, Thursday and Friday is not that good for me, so maybe that has to do with it. I like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You have a Discord server? No way you're not from my Discord server and you're just from a random, I say random YouTube, but you just came from YouTube. Yeah, I do have a Discord server. Just like any other Discord server, the only difference is I have these notes. I guess that's pretty much why everyone joined. And then I guess for also trading, I have these core content notes. They're 213 pages and they include every single note, every single thing ICT has said during core contents, months 1 to 12. They're pretty good notes. If there's like a specific concept, in my opinion, if you're like intermediate to advanced, if there's specific content you forget, like for example, low resistance liquidity and high resistance liquidity, Azure discussion in your stream. That's a good idea, bro. I'm gonna do that right after I end the stream. That's a really good idea. Some pretty good notes, in my opinion. Month 1 is the best, and then month 12 is also pretty good. It literally gives you the model. So, what's this? What's the entry model? Hold on, let me see this real quick. ICT bullish pattern number 1. Higher time frame bullish. Stage. Price bounce off higher time frame discount array. Impulse swing creates an FEG near the swing low. Short-term low forms in the market structure and fails to rally higher. After equal highs or higher highs formed, price drops into the FEG and under the short-term low, forming actually the impulse swing forms. Sell stops are triggers. Smart money uses offset accumulation to pair long entries with sell stop rates. Alright, interesting. ICT bullish pattern 2. Bullish. Price bounces off a higher time frame discount rate. Price drops lower into the anticipated higher time frame discount array and raid sell stop. So basically like a 1 hour low in discount, let's say. Sell stops are triggers. Smart money uses offset accumulation to pair long with sell stop rates. ICT turtle soup entry. Okay, bullish pattern 3. Play the same shit every time, bro. If you miss the turtle soup long, wait for the breaker. Or pyramid in the breaker. Nice, cool, yeah. Anyways. So I will send you the Discord link. If you want to join, I appreciate you coming through and giving me your advice and everything. I'm gonna be the best trader. Next Alejandro, because I guess shit, this guy is fucking OG. 7 years ICT in Toronto. Shit, you might be like top 10 ICT traders in GTA, bro. I feel like there's not much going around here in Toronto or GTA. I will check that message after. So I guess, yeah, maybe I'll reflect in my journal. There's 2 minutes till news, so let's just see. I don't know. I didn't see the news. I don't know what you're talking about, but I guess let's see if news does something. You said there's a, and in the meantime, I will reflect in my journal about my performance. Wait a minute. Did I not take a trade yesterday? Did I not journal yesterday? I took a dub yesterday, didn't I? 13. Did I not take a win yesterday? I don't remember what happened yesterday. I could have sworn I traded yesterday. Oh well, I guess I forget. There was FOMC Wednesday, right? Yeah, there was FOMC Wednesday. Oh, Thursday I didn't take the trade. Wednesday was FOMC, so I didn't trade. Thursday was, I remember now. I remember now. Wednesday was FOMC, so I didn't trade, and then Thursday I didn't take the trade. I called it out really nicely, but I didn't execute. What's up, Rohit? Yesterday was a nice setup without you taking it. Yo, man, you remember that, bro. What's up, Rohit? Yep, that's exactly what happened yesterday. I missed my A plus entry. What ICT model you trade? Um, kind of hard to answer. My entire model is in my Discord server. I don't really care about the specific entry. Um, Inversion, breaker, turtle soup. You're making trading calls with members sometimes. What do you mean trading calls? Like signals or like one-on-one calls helping people? My favorite model would be the breaker. Like that's probably the most right? That's probably my best RR trading model. Live streaming is now. I usually don't do it on Discord. The market did not move. Oh shit, what the fuck? Yeah, Lebanon don't do anything. Don't give a fuck about policemen, bro. My favorite ICT model is the using the breaker block. But bro, fair value gap, inversion, market. Hey, I'll trade any. The entry model I don't really care about. For me, it's all about the context, right? My specific model is this. Um, this isn't like the depths of what's going on. We're just talking in chat. I didn't really take a trade. Oh, actually, like I caught the win on my combine, but I was just reflecting. I guess I haven't reflected to Kumar, and I think Kumar's been here every stream, pretty much. So I'm gonna reflect to Kumar. The first trade I took, I got a bad entry. I should have taken the good entry, especially because we're choppy. There's no point in taking a close proximity entry in a market like this, right? Like we weren't even really directional. So I should have entered here or just not entered at all and just taken profits at the 50-minute fair value gap. Where you start? Did you go direct this topics or any model? 2022 mentorship is ICT's best work. If you haven't watched the 2022 mentorship, in my opinion, you not have to, but everyone should watch it and then study it. And then from there decide what you want to do. That's my opinion. This was the 50-minute FEG right here. So I should have taken this trade, not the close proximity. That was the first mistake. The second mistake was I should have TP'd here, even though I got the close proximity. Even though it was bad RR, I still should have just taken it. Yeah, 2022 is a great start. If you haven't seen core content, it really teaches you how to read price. But so does just practicing. So let me write this down in my journal because honestly, it actually helps. I should just write down my mistakes. I think that's a good thing to journal, just the mistakes. Mistake 1. Should not have taken close proximity. Break even soon. Well, the thing is, we actually took profits there. We didn't end negative that trade. We ended positive, like $20, but it still doesn't mean it's good. So we didn't lose. So it was good, I guess. Good trade management, but like I said, I should have TP'd here. I should have TP'd at this 15-minute fair value gap. That was the plan all along. I just didn't do it because I don't know. I guess I got greedy, or 2016 core Monta at 22 model is not enough. No, it's enough. 2022 model is enough if you know how to read price. It depends on you. If you're brand new and you don't really know much, I would recommend watching core content first and then watching 2022 model after. That's my advice to you, brother. I made the mistake of first starting. I didn't watch core content and I only watched 2022. And then I realized like there was just gaps in my model that I could not fill. And then I tried to fill them with other people's opinions and it messed me up. I ended up having to go back and watch all the core content, and I watched it twice. And that's when stuff started coming better for me. So I recommend you just watch it from the start. It's a lot, but just you got to do it, and you can't really avoid it if you want to trade ICT, in my opinion. Unless you already know what you're doing and you just kind of add ICT to your thing. Yes, I am brand new. So I would watch 2016, 2017. Yeah, so 2016 ICT private mentorship, months 1 to 12. It's also known as core content. So core content months 1 to 12. Finish it and then watch ICT 2022 mentorship. I have notes in my Discord server. I don't know if you're in my server, but I have notes on every single episode. I don't suggest you should skip the videos, but I do suggest you should use this as like a textbook. Like, you know, when you're in class and you follow the textbook, you follow what the teacher said. That's how I would use this. Because if he's gonna say something like, "Oh, what the hell does that mean?" You can come see it here. Or if you want to ever come back, reference your textbook. That's kind of what this is for. The second thing it's for is you can use it to identify which type of videos matter most. They're all important, but for example, let me just give you a good example. Month, I think it's 7. So for example, month 6. This, you could probably get away with just watching month 6, episode 8. If you don't want to be a swing trader. This is like holding positions for weeks to days to months. Like you're waiting for a monthly PD rate he talks about. You can do it. If you can take that setup and break it down into the daily, which is kind of the most important part if you're a day trader from this. But like I said, it's pretty much like month 6, 7, and 8 are very similar. They're just scaled up. So I'm not saying skip it, but I'm saying that's, for example, if you know what kind of trader you are, just put more emphasis on the other months and less emphasis on some. If you want, you can. That's for an example. So that's what I would do. So mistake 1 is I should not have taken the close proximity entry. Mistake 2, should have TP'd at the M15 FEG. I should have just taken my profits there because I had a really good plan going into the market. What's up, Amen? We caught dubs today, but I'm still reflecting. I'm about to be done after this. We caught a good dub, but we still should have TP'd here because the plan was to take profits at the 15-minute fair value gap. If we inverted it, I would have looked for a short entry again. If we did not invert for it, I would have waited for the high to get swept, which is exactly what happened. And then we took the short here and we caught a nice win on the challenge, which is great. That was a great plan. That's like an A+ plan in my opinion. You wait for the confirmation on 15-minute before you continue. And if it doesn't happen, you wait for the sweep and you see if it wants to break, which is exactly what happened. And then we took this on the combine, this breaker, which is nice. But that leads me to my second mistake. My third mistake, which was the second trade I took. That was a bad trade. I took a second trade right here, I think. And we ended up pretty much breaking even. It was like a $20 loss. So we were break even on the 2 trades. That was a mistake. That was a bad trade. Broke model. Because it was that idea that like, oh, I took a trade. This was the higher time frame PDA rate tag, right? And then I got FOMO because I broke even on this one. I got FOMO that I broke even on this one. So I was like, oh, what if it goes down maybe? So I took a second entry, got stopped out. And then I was done trading on my funded. That was my 2 trades. I don't like taking more than 2 trades. How long does it take to watch them all in months? It depends how much you grind, bro. It took me not long at all. I watched core content like in under a month, all 12 months. And I took notes. Isn't the continuation trade correct? Which one? So the second trade I took, it was right here. This was the trade I took. This was the trade I took right here. The second one. This was the second trade. First trade I took, you know what? First trade I took wasn't even bad. Why am I entering right now? I don't trade past 11. But yeah, this breaker could definitely play. That's a correct trade. Okay, listen. The first trade I took was good, but I should have closed that trade at least partialed at the 15-minute bullish fair value gap, right? We started respecting the 15-minute fair value gap, right? I took this short too early. There wasn't confirmation yet that it was gonna inverse. My plan was if it inverts the 15-minute and closed below, I'm talking about this 15-minute right here. See you, Alejandro. Yep, I'll be live. I'll be live every day next week. My plan, Kumar, was if we closed below the 15-minute FEG here, then I would have taken the second short. That was the plan. But we never did that. We wicked right here. We wicked on this 1-minute fair value gap, which is the 15-minute fair value gap. Did you watch any other strategy thing or other strategy or start with ICT? Bro, initially I used to trade support and resistance. I It's just funny, bro. I used to trade moving averages with consolidations, like a weird Like, hold on. This is actually funny, bro. Eamon, fucking, if Eamon's in the fucking chat right now, hold on. Let me show you the freaking strategy I used to trade, bro. I used to do this with stocks. Um, I used to literally trade moving average breakouts, bro. I used to literally do some shit like this where I was like, oh, consolidation, breakout, and I would short. In this case, not a bad short, but I would wait for it to like retest a moving average and then like some shit like this, bro. Like I don't know, like and then like aim for the 50 MA or something. I used three indicators, bro. That was my first ever trade, bro. And then I paired this with support and resistance. I was like, ooh, this is support, like support and resistance. I'm pretty sure everyone at one time has tried support and resistance, bro. I was like, find the level of support, resistance. This was my first, yeah, this was garbage, bro, in my opinion. Like, just so garbage. It can work though. Listen, it does work, but not because it's support and resistance. I mean, it depends what you believe, right? I'm not gonna try and convince you that ICT is the correct way to read price, but if you believe in ICT, you guys, yeah, that's good, Kumar. If you trade ICT, um, like listen, like for example, right here, right now, price is not going up to retest the freaking 21 EMA, bro. Price does not freaking care about the last 21 candles. I promise you it's not. Price is going up to fill this imbalance. All right? Period. It just happens to be that if you took this short and it played out, it just happened to be so that the ICT idea of reading price was in play with support and resistance. So that's all I'm going to say. And another thing I'm going to say is if support and resistance really does work, why are traders been failing for 99 freaking decades, bro? Right? They just been failing every year, all the time. So that's my spiel. That's the first mistake I made. The second mistake I made, so TP, not TPing, was the second trade. The second trade I took was bad. Continuation trade is good, but only if we inverse this fair value gap. But we did not. So bad trade. Third mistake I did, that basically made it so I couldn't take this A plus. This was A plus for me, bro. I took this on my combine. I took this trade right here. I literally got this trade. It was like this. Beautiful. 2.4R. Beautiful trade. I even added positions. Beautiful. Inversion. Fair value gap. Chain of state delivery. Order block off an order block, right? So there's your chain of state delivery right here. And then another order block we tapped in. Even went lower. So beautiful, beautiful trade. But I didn't take it on my funded because I already had taken two. Because the second one was really bad. So I said, let me take it on my combine. And then I made a dumb mistake. I accidentally only took it on one of my accounts. I should have taken it on at least two. Um, but all in all, it's not bad, right? We're not down on the day. We're up on the week. This is the trade. Um, the trade I took. This was the A plus entry for me today. I started off Wyckoff itself and it was awesome. It was hard to get into trades, bro. I used to, yeah. I don't know. I don't even know what Wyckoff is, to be honest. I've never really studied that. Let's make this a solid line and let's add this to our templates. So that's your inversion fair value gap right there. So stop loss breaker high, inversion low. You could put it at the old low. You probably could have gotten away with a stop loss like this, entering on the breaker and putting your stop loss just at the breaker high, or at this candle's high right here. It's probably the best, safest, smartest stop loss in my opinion. Similar to AMD and liquidity trading itself. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, ICT talks about Wyckoff. You want to know who I want to watch day trade, bro? I want to watch freaking Larry. What's his name? Larry Williams. Larry Williams day trade, bro. Apparently, Larry Williams holds the. This is a crazy story when I found this out. So Larry Williams was ICT's mentor, and Larry Williams, um, Larry Williams won the Robbins Cup with a 13,000% return in 1 year. That's a crazy fucking return. 13,000% return on a, was it a 100K account or a 10K account? I think it was a 10K account. Bro, that's a lot of return. So Larry Williams won the Robin Cup with 13,000. That's the world record, right? ICT said he was gonna break it, but I don't know what he's saying about Robin's Cup. He keeps like he said it like 2 months ago that he's like, "Don't worry, I'm coming for that record. Don't think I like started lacking." But no one's heard about him talk about it since. So I don't know. Maybe he's doing it. Maybe he's not. I don't know. It's a 1 year. It's a 1 year tournament. So there's still 6 months. So if he breaks that record, that would be amazing. But I'm gonna tell you something crazy, bro. Larry Williams' daughter also won the Robbins Cup when she was 16 or like 15, bro. Bro, someone dropped this guy's strategy, bro. That shit would sell. What does he trade, bro? Yeah, we haven't heard anything from ICT. He said he's gonna post a lecture soon, though. Imagine being so good that you have the world record, then you teach your like 14 or 15-year-old daughter, and she wins it too. Damn. What's the strategy, bro? Drop it. I'm gonna have to like, bro. If someone knows Larry Williams, I don't care. There's sure you don't want a strategy hop, but damn, bro, 13,000% in 1 year, and your daughter won the Robbins Cup at 15. What the hell is you trading, bro? And he's ICT's mentor, so I'm assuming he's trading like similar to ICT, which is probably why ICT is so eminent that like this shit works. Larry Williams pulled 13,000% on a regulated broker, right? It's not like no prop firm, no demo trade, no, but it's a regulated broker. Bro pulled in 13,000% return. He was consistently destroying the market's ass. Bro was a market maker for 1 year. He was literally a full-time market maker for 1 year. And his daughter pretty much did the same thing. So what strategy he used? Shit, I don't know, man. I'm assuming he trades ICT because he was ICT's mentor, right? So I'm probably just the same stuff as this. ICT has done some crazy numbers in the past too. So wish my father was Larry, bro. Larry the goat, bro. I want to talk to Larry, bro. If there was one person in the world I could meet with, I would meet with ICT because I don't want to meet Larry. I don't know what if like some people ask you that question. They're like, if there's one celebrity you could have dinner with, I used to never have an answer. I was like, bro, I don't care. LeBron James, I don't fucking know. Kevin Hart, I don't really like. It'll be fun, but I don't really care. But now I do. I want to have dinner with ICT. I would ask him like, I'd ask him questions like, this is a question I have for ICT, bro, because he actually hasn't talked about it. How do you look to increase your win rate when you have a model? You have a model. Oh yeah, higher time frame can, bro. If you're short term trading, in my opinion, that's the best. Um, like trading, like holding for days. Like weekly or daily levels, entering on like 15 minute, 1 hour. In my opinion, those results are insane because it's so high probability now. Even just like 5 minute entries with like 1 hour confirmation, but a lot better than what I'm doing, in my opinion. But I'm not aiming for a high win rate. I'm aiming for like 40 to 60%. 40 to 60% is my objective. If I can get like 70, that would 80, 70, 80 would be amazing. But let's see. We're still working on it, right? But I would ask ICT, um, like, what advice do you have for someone who's been trading for a while, has back tested, has a study journal, has everything kind of figured out, and they like their model. They don't want to change it, but they want to increase their win rate. What would he say? He would say study your losses, and you do, but you just like can't. I can't really pinpoint what it is. I think the higher time frame PDA rate tag for me is important. It will keep getting better, man, for sure. I know. I mean, we're definitely improving, bro. Even just from May, I feel so much more like at peace and so much more clear as to like what I'm looking for. I'm sad I didn't take this trade. This was A plus, and I didn't take it because I didn't want to break my rule of taking 3 trades, especially in one session. But that second trade really kind of threw me off. I shouldn't have taken it. So, well, you learn. SMT here as well. So, yeah, market's consolidating now. How did you watch all the concept, consume all the theory in 1 month? Great question. I will tell you exactly what I did. You ready? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. I feel like we're able to increase if we have a lower, if we have a lower hour. Wait, what? I think maybe you mistyped something. I think already if I just keep doing what I've. How long you been there? There means in trading business. I've been learning and trading and studying for 1 year. I started trading in January with prop firms. My first account was January. Break even day plus 2 points. Yeah, so she also broke even. I'm assuming she didn't take that second trade like me. I respect Tanya. The one thing I don't approve, not honestly, I don't approve. I don't, not like, it's weird. Like, I can't relate to Tanya in one word because she trades, she takes part like her entry, her like 20 points, 40 points. I'm not really like that. I kind of like catching the large move, but maybe that's a bad thing. Maybe I should take partials, but she takes partials really well. All right, Rohit, you ready? I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. Ready? I'm showing you. Pay attention, brother. You come here. Before you're brand new, you don't know anything, you come here. T trades. T trades. You come, you click videos. You're gonna scroll down, and you see all these ones with the blue, all the blue ones. You're gonna watch some of them. Not all of them. If you want me to send you a link of which ones I think you should watch, you should. For example, drawn liquidity. One. Open high low close, low resistance, liquidity runs. Like some of them will teach you ICT, so when you go and learn ICT, you will learn faster and better and more effective. These are very quick videos, 13 minutes. You take notes. Drawn liquidity, important. Top-down analysis, bias, liquidities. Look, this one's important. Liquidity sweep versus microstructure shift, discount and premium, liquidity buy side and sell side, fair value gaps. Yeah, discount premium. All those are very important. Are you making a list right now? Shit, make a list. I have a list because when I help people learn how to trade, I send them my list. So I can send you the list. You watch these videos and you take notes. You take notes, brother, because you will forget and you will get lost. You take notes. You ask questions when you don't know. ERL and IRL, that's important. And then this will take 1 day. If you really focus and you really want to do this, you can do this in 1 day. And then you do this. Ready? I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. How I did it in a month. Come here. You see month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, you start right here. ICT core content month 1. You're gonna watch all these episodes and you're gonna take notes. Luckily for you, if you don't want to take notes, you don't have to take notes. If you're better learning writing, then take notes. If you are okay reading my notes, then just read my notes. I already have notes. So if you're okay with reading and following along, then just follow my notes. Personally, I don't like doing that. I like to read. I like to write my own notes. So, like, look at this, bro. It's the same. Hold on. What's going on here? Service over the other guys. Let's skip this. It's the same thing in the note that it is on the screen. You can follow along. You won't get lost. When something doesn't make sense, you can see it here for yourself. So you're going to do this with every single episode, right? Then, shoot, I shouldn't have closed that. Then you're going to watch the 2022 mentorship. When you make it to the 2022 mentorship, congratulations. You've now taken probably the biggest step you will take in a really long time. You're going to come here, right? You can skip the first episode if you want. It just talks about what to expect from the series. So I watched core content in 1 month. How did I do it? I literally watched the entire day, every day. When I ate breakfast, I watched it. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I did it. At the gym, that's 4. That's already like almost, you could probably get away with like a good amount of episodes there. And then obviously pace myself throughout the day. I would watch like a couple episodes, take notes, play a game or two, watch some episodes, play a game or two. You know, back and forth. I did it in a day, and I also made those notes in 1 month. So don't tell me you can't watch it in 1 month, because I wrote 30,000 words while watching them all in 1 month. You can do it. You don't have to do it. You can do it in a whole year if you wanted to, bro. You can do 1 episode a day, whatever works for you. For me, I don't like that because I was learning and I was liking it and I wanted to keep going because I was learning so much. I was like, holy shit, I'm learning. Keep going. Um, so yeah, 2022 mentorship is his best work. The reason you need to watch core content is because you're not gonna understand the things he says. For example, how the market moves and market profiles. You need to know what expansion is, retracement, reversal, consolidation, and the elements to a trade setup. He talks about the daily range. He talks about the sessions. He said what you should focus on. First of all, you should have no expectations and you should throw away all other information. That's an important because you're going to get influenced by other people and things you see online. Do not trust those people, bro. When people say, I made $20,000 today, man, shut up. There's some bullshit going on. I promise you there's some bullshit going on, all right? Whether they over risked, there's not many people you can trust online that are real. The people you can trust is if they're live trading in front of you. A lot of people, what they do is they have two accounts and they long one and they short the other. They don't know how to fucking trade, bro. They full port opposites, right? And then they make a lot and they post about it and they're like, look how much money I made, blah blah blah. But then really they're just trying to sell a course. Most people make most of their money from their course, right? It's true. People make a lot of money selling courses, bro. A lot of money selling courses. So don't fall for the trap. Don't fall for the trap. Stay focused on your own path. That's the most important thing. I wish I did that because I lost a lot of time worrying about what other people were doing. Some people post live executions, but it's not that cool. What's up, Warhead 1998? How are you, brother? In my country, everyone will sell courses. Bro, people make a lot of money selling courses because it's so easy. It is so easy to convince people that they're consistently profitable. It's so easy, bro. I could do it. I could write a whole course and post 50 trades that I took. Bro, hold on. I'll let you show you guys right now, bro. It is so easy to fake it. Not to mention you can just Photoshop it if you know how to Photoshop it all. Yo, have a sell limit at 2338 on gold. What do you think? ZAL USD or futures? All right, I'll give you my full breakdown and then I'm gonna call the stream quits. Full breakdown on gold. Okay, I like this so far. We have equal lows inside this fair value gap. Respected 50%. That's really good. Let's drop down to the 4 hour. I gotta look at everything if you want a good answer. We left this. Okay, nice. So we left that untapped inside the 4 hour fair value gap. 50% of this wick. It's important. I focused on that wick. The limit so far. I mean, it looks bearish. It does look bearish. You're selling 2338. Where's your stop loss? Are you like trying to hold for the like intraday or you're holding this for multiple days? I need to know. Two, 3, 3, 8. Where are you trying to sort? Maybe I'm not looking at the right chart here. You're looking at gold futures? Brother, when you are learning, when you are in your learning phase, you learn all the mods and that mod break. Backtest, you watch charts or just watch IT? Great question, bro. You're good. You're good, Kumar. I'm probably gonna end the trade in the stream in like 5 minutes after I help this guy. See you Monday, brother. No spot. No spot. What do you mean no spot? Are you trying to hold for like 1 day, couple minutes, an hour? How long? What type of position are you holding here? And you said 2, 3, 3, 8. So are you trading? I need to see the exact chart because you don't think it'll be hit? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I see like, I feel like this would have been, right, if you have the close proximity, it's thing. So like this would have been your best entry. You're looking for, like for me, I'll tell you what. Oh, gold spot. Oh, okay. All right, let's see. This thing? What's this? What's gold spot, bro? Am I doing this right? And to answer your question, do not backtest. Trust me, do not backtest until um do not backtest until you have your own model. What are you backtesting? You don't even know. What are you backtesting? During the ICT 2022 mentorship, he will tell you what to do. Am I tripping here, bro? I don't think you're gonna get a fill. I don't think you're gonna get a fill. Any chart is probably it's gonna be very similar to this. I don't think you're gonna get filled, brother. I think if you're assuming you're a day trader, in my opinion, I'll tell you what I see. All right. Although this doesn't fit my personal model, it doesn't fit my personal model, but I mean, yeah, you could potentially see a move higher. To me, if I were to take a trade on gold, I would have taken it already. Where would my trade have been? Tough. Equal highs got rated. It would have been. Yeah, would have got stopped out there. I would have looked for SMT. Realistically, I probably would have got stopped out here. Well, I don't trade gold. Well, actually, no, I wouldn't have because we took this low. So this setup is invalid. We came up, swept that high. I'd look for SMT here. If there was SMT, I would take this short right here. That's my A plus entry, especially if there's SMT there. I bet you there is with silver. What's silver? It's AG. Yeah, silver. What's silver, bro? That's insane trade. Appreciate it, man. So in my opinion, I wouldn't take a short. My model. If I were to, I would have gotten in here right here, 10:30 a.m. I'd look for SMT there for extra confirmation, but I put my stop loss there. I would TP at this internal low. That's 2.5. That's my opinion, brother. So if my opinion, I wouldn't take a short. Do I think it could work out? Yeah, it looks pretty bearish on the higher time frame, but just look at the market conditions, right? I don't know if this thing looks like it's really going anywhere. If you look at the bodies, especially, it's really not going anywhere. It's just range high, range low. Right now, you're at range low, so I wouldn't take a short, you know? If I were to take another short, because I would have to see something like this, you know? Like we sweep the high, break lower type thing. So that's my opinion. I'm going to assume, just out of curiosity, I want to know, was there SMT there where I called it out? 1027. No SMT, right? 1027, 1007. Okay, no SMT, I was wrong. Yeah, SMT with gold futures. Nope, no SMT. Okay, I was wrong. So that's my opinion. Thank you, brothers, for information. May God bless you. One day you catch up with your, you know, I mean, that's not that important to me. I was just messing around. I just hope I keep improving every day, and I never quit. Cool, bro. I'm just starting. There's an order block at that level, so I thought it would reach there before giving some retracement. I'm gonna give you one piece of advice before I go. Right? If you trade ICT, just remember these four things. Price can only do four things, right? It can go higher to fill imbalance, or go lower to fill imbalance. Alternatively, it can go higher to rate stops, or it can go lower to rate stops. You use order block to trade from these things. That's it. So remember, price is not drawn to an order block. You just use the order block to trade, whether it's from an imbalance or a sell stop rate. So if you look at the 15-minute time frame, can you tell me which one we're gonna do right now? I can't. I have no idea what the fuck we're doing right now. We're doing nothing. We're just doing this. So if you can't identify if price is gonna go to an imbalance or into a low, well, then you don't know, right? We have this swing low. Looks like it's probably gonna get taken out, right? It's already trading low, and we wicked with a nice displacement. We might take out that low. Make sure there's no SMT there. So there's that. But besides that, like, you can't trade this because we're already close, and there's no way of telling, really, how if we're gonna displace or continue lower. So, in my opinion, you'd have to wait for this to get taken and then potentially re-see. On the hourly, same thing, really. We're rejected off this wick. So, if you can't answer those questions, it's really gonna be hard to trade a high probability setup. And in terms of order block, like, there's no really high probability order block. Bro, I asked another question. Did you send me the first teacher video link? Remember me? I first watched. I said order block. Yep. Do you have me on Discord, brother? Message me on Discord, and I will send you the videos to watch in order before watching ICT. It's basically like a primer. Like, you'll understand ICT a lot better if you watch those T-Trades videos. T-Trades makes great videos. I recommend him to everybody and myself. It's actually how I found out about ICT. I found his videos first, watched them, and then watched ICT. So, really good. We good, bro. No, listen, bro. We the same. Bro, we the same person, bro. Me and you, we the same person. Trust me. We the same, bro. We just trying to do the same things. So, I get it, bro. I was there too. So, message me on Discord. I'm gonna call it quits. It was a good week. We ended profitable on the week on all accounts. So, I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna be live Monday, every day next week, right? Well, actually, Tuesday I'm not gonna be live because I'm moving, but I will be live. Sad. It's a good day too. Unlucky. Oh wait, no, maybe I can trade. Maybe I'd have to trade on my phone. I don't know if I can be live though. Take care. We'll see you Monday, but I'll be live Monday. Hopefully Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Maybe not Tuesday though. We'll try my best. I'll try to still trade, but I don't know if I'll be able to go live because I'll be on my laptop probably. But anyway, I'll see you guys. Message me in the Discord if you have any questions. Peace, peace. See you, everybody. Yep, I'll message you, bro.